Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Hey Wayne, tell me what's going on with your wrist.
Okay, I had a saw blade go across 3 fingers. I had 22 stitches put in there. I still got all the fingers there.
So yeah.
And then I had carpal tunnel surgery.
So you had it here?
Here, and
you have ulnar nerve release.
Yeah,
okay.
Across the elbow.
Across the elbow. So give me a little brief history about how did you cut your fingers when that happened?
I had a saw blade. I cut the wood like that.
Okay.
It bound up.
Okay.
Kick back across my fingers.
Okay. How long this been going on?
This happened probably right around the 20th of March.
Of March, we are in May.
We're May now.
Okay.
I had carpal tunnel surgery April 4th.
April 4th. So when you had that cut in your fingers, what did they do? Any surgery or stitches? What did they do?
They put 22 stitches in here.
22 stitches. Okay. And so how much pain do you feel? Did you have any treatment for this? Like anything after the surgeries, or just you had the surgeries?
No, I just saw my regular doctor.
Okay. And how much pain do you feel in your hands, and what's difficult for you to do now?
I don't feel any pain in my hand, sitting, resting.
Okay.
If I try to do anything major with it,
okay. Are you left-handed or right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Right-handed. Okay, so let's see the motion that aggravated, or let me see a fist. Can you do a fist? You're really tight. Okay, let's do the other side. Compare between left and right. No, both hands. Both hands.
Oh,
yeah.
Right,
so definitely we can see you can make a fist here. And for the left side, how long you've been not able to make a fist?
Well, since these here.
Since that the cut. All right. So, and you said you have numbness or tingling in your fingers?
That finger is about 100% numb. This one here is 70% numb.
70%.
This finger here, nothing.
You're not feeling much here.
And nothing.
Oh, okay. No feeling, or you don't?
No,
it's normal.
They feel good.
They feel good. So when you try to make a fist, how much pain do you feel there?
I can make it go up to 10. Yeah. Actually, it's not bad right now. It's actually not too bad right now.
Okay. That's good. So bring your arm up, your wrist up. Okay. So extension 35. You see that? 35 here. Okay. Let's go down. Flex. Go down. Is that as far as you can go down?
As far as it. That's it.
Okay, so that's wow, flexion is about 8. Okay, that's very limited. So you've been limited before the surgery or after the surgery?
No, it's after.
You have a lot of scar tissue.
After everything
happened.
It happened pretty quick.
Yeah, you had it back to back. That's not easy. Let's bring it in.
Oh, this right here?
Yep, okay. So his radial deviation is 20 degrees. Okay. And 21 degrees ulnar deviation. Okay. Sorry. Pain with that?
Oh yeah.
Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna do supination and pronation. Okay. So let's this way. Okay. So this one, and I'm gonna put my hands behind so you can see it. Okay. So this is almost like 55 degrees. Okay. It's closer, 56 degrees. Okay, let's do it the other way. This way, okay. So Yeah, supination is 70. Okay. So you had the carpal tunnel release. Okay. Okay. Definitely have a large one here. Okay. So I'm gonna do my hand actually.
Yeah, I'd like to be able to work again, but I'd also like to be able to golf again.
Which one is more important, golfing or work? Okay. All right. Golfing is important. Okay, we'll work on that first. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure how you're gonna make. You did not have any grip, you know?
No.
No, you don't have it. Too much or it's okay?
It's okay.
So this is the one that you totally broke this knuckle, yeah?
No, it just took
Lacerated.
just took the top layer off.
Oh man, that's rough. So let's actually, I'll have you turn get some, clean this up a little bit here. Okay. And we'll turn it over. Okay.
It's a little better.
Yeah, you are actually bending. Let's get the front shot. Both of them at the same time. Yeah, that's look like you're closing a little bit more. Yeah.
It's a little better.
Yeah. We're doing another one with it. Okay. Both of them. How's that?
It's a little better.
Yeah, you're actually closing further. Okay.
Yeah.
You see the space here?
I can almost get my putter in there.
Yeah. That's the goal. Okay. We need to get that here. Okay. Okay.
I'll be able to cut and chip.
If that's too much, okay? Too much?
No.
Extension was 35. Now bring it back. Okay, you see that? It's 50. Yeah, that's 50 degrees. Okay.
That's 15,
Flexion.
That's 15 degrees, a lot better.
Yeah, awesome. Flexion. How much it was? 8. Just 8. Bending down. This is wow. Okay. 40, almost 44, 43, 44. That's good. Yeah.
You did good. You did good.
Yeah, I passed the test.
Yeah, you're still standing.
Yeah, still alive, you know. Okay, what about radial? How much it was? 20 was radial. Okay, let's bring it this way. Okay, radial is 30 now. It's 30. Okay. Ulnar, how much it was? 21. And ulnar here, let's see, it's right in here, okay. 21, now it's like, one second. It's a 26. Okay. Supination, how much it was? 70. 70, okay, so bring it up this way. Oh wow, this is nice, okay. So supination here, okay, look at this, it's, one second. Right in here. So that's about 90. One second here. There you go, just align it. Yep, it's 90 degrees supination. Pronation, how much? 58. So pronation was 58. Now it's 90. 90 degrees. Okay. Awesome. Yeah. You get the range of motion, so
That's a lot smaller.
yeah, let me see it again. Your fist. Yeah, that's a lot smaller. Yeah, that's good. It looks good. Yeah. So you can lower it down and tell me what do you think about the treatment, ASTR treatment.
when I come back.
Tomorrow. Or
tomorrow.
Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yeah, we'll continue working on it to get a full range of motion. Definitely almost like full range of motion with a lot of, like for the rest, it's gonna take us a little bit more work for your hand because you have a lot of scar tissue. Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.